It was a big Friday down on the Waterfall River. The new Waterfall boat captain's first day is a major event in Waterfall County. Everyone was there. The Waterfall boat had just set sail for its first voyage of the day. The previous captain's friends, as well as the Waterfall Club president on board. Even the Waterfall boat dispatcher was riding along. The Waterfall boat captain's disguise was working like a charm. Not a soul was the wiser. So cool.
Look, if there's one bit of advice that I can give you, it's that ducks are free. They're at the park, and the government can't stop you from taking them. They're there. You just have to walk up to them and pick them up and take them home. I've got 15 ducks in my garage, and there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Atención, turistas de las cataratas. Nos aguardamos. Nos acercamos a un nido de cocodrilos.
The waterfall boat captain managed to navigate the boat past the nest of dinosaurs into safety. Whoop-de-doo, big stinking deal. Then it was time to go real fast.
Everyone was having such a great time on the waterfall boat.
The captain began watching TikTok videos on his phone, drawing his attention away from his boat driving.
I'm just island boy.
When will he fucking learn? Jesus H. Christ.
Oh my god, oh my god!
I went out to Applebee's last night, and I wanted to get some riblets. But it turned out they don't serve riblets anymore. They haven't served riblets for years. And I told the waitress, I said, "Where's your riblets?" They said, "We don't have any riblets." I said, "That's ridiculous. You're Applebee's. Every Applebee's has riblets." And the waitress just told me, "Well, you've never had riblets."
Suddenly a strange call comes over the radio. But it can't be the waterfall boat radio dispatcher, because he's right there on the boat.
Hola, ¿quién es? ¿Puedo ayudarte?
Waterfall boat captain, this is what happens when you cost the cartel $4 million.
¿Qué va a pasar?
This.
Nothing is happening.
Nothing is happening.
Just wait a few seconds, bitch.
I have the perfect recipe to bring back the McDonald's Big and Tasty. You heard me right here today. Don't scroll away. You're going to learn how to make the Big and Tasty.
Sometimes when I'm having my breakfast oatmeal, I just like to chop a couple of apples in there, sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon and brown sugar on it. Well, you got yourself a meal.
Fuck you!
Waterfall boy. Waterfall boy. Waterfall boy is here to stay. Waterfall boy. Waterfall boy is here to stay. Waterfall boy.
Adventure.
Waterfall boy.